Why did you do that?
Because I like it.
Why? How did you do that? Where did you do it?
Outside in the front.
Outside in the front? Where?
I gave myself a tattoo.
That's great. What are you talking about, Vincent?
I'm Santa Claus.
No, you're not Santa Claus.
I have a white hair.
Vincent, how are we going to get this off? You're going to get soap in your eyes. You're going to cry.
Also, take a picture of my tattoo.
Yeah, okay.
Take a picture now.
Vincent,
Take a picture.
where is all this soap and bubbles?
Oh.
Vin? No,
Oh
Vin.
my God.
Vincent.
Oh my
Vincent.
God. Oh my God. Okay, that's it.
Vin, your eyes are going to stop. Don't you do this in my house.
Oh my God.
Vincent, put it in the sink. No, Vincent, put it in. Get off me. Put it in the sink. Vincent, put it in the sink. Stop. Put it in the sink. Put it in the... Vincent, this is my house. Vincent! You're going to slip and fall. Vin. Vin?
Take a picture of my tattoo.
Vincent, stop drawing on yourself, Michael. Vin!
Ben.
Get the pen away. Vincent, let's go. We got to clean this up.